I said these are the days of Elijah, declaring the ways of the Lord.
This way, you are free. This way, you are free. God has saved you. Go.
Open the floodgate.
Yeah, you
Jesus is Lord.
You are free.
I spirit is very strong. Don't worry, I'm coming.
What? Jesus! Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about it.
Ayẹlẹ o, ìbọn sí o.